You have created your ChatGPT account using Google and now you are unable to log in and you are entering your email address and password, but none of the thing is working and you are not able to sign into ChatGPT. So let's see that what is the solution. If I enter my email address here, press the continue button. Next, it will ask me for the password. You are entering the password that you had set at the time of creating your ChatGPT account. So this is the mistake that you are doing. You don't have to enter your email address and password in these boxes if you have created your ChatGPT account using Google. You have to simply go back and here, after pressing the login button, when this page gets opened, you don't have to type your email address here in this box on which your ChatGPT account was made. You have to tap on this continue with Google button on this page. So if I tap on continue with Google, all of your Gmail accounts that are logged in to your phone or laptop will be appeared up. And even if these accounts don't get appeared, you have to simply log in here using your email address and then password of your Google account. And after that, your ChatGPT account will be logged in. Simple as that. Let me repeat. If I go back from here, what I told you is you don't have to enter your email address and password in these boxes. You have to tap on continue with Google and log in your Google account with your credentials of the account which you use for your Google account, and after that you'll be logged into ChatGPT account. So hope it helps. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.